And some may who papa in some cassia and I able to say I hear he pay best shit one crack and quack a war straw nothing regional and yeah agro and the saddest thing and it's a sans me babisi just because of a decision of the president of the country and now Akufo Addo. Now I know that me giving no maybe I mean to say eti Akufo Addo who dey Kumasi so who dey Asante so ana
can one oh boy Juma we did Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. Say you see commentary, news in the bar. Say you see commentary for home. We are so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostar also the Ebema other tribe a flow. Uni sorted. India terminate. That's how becano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know. Say I commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe I also train free a bit. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?
Now and now me don't say there is an official document. Between that from the Ya Na, the overlord said the Asante about 66 to 80 paramount chiefs. Am I hearing question? I said no. Ugo PM was through the northern sector or the Ya Na so you overlord kese as well how just a mine. Now mami ke bibi chow. Obekai. Said the president of the country, Eba Nansia bekan sembi, say naming the Tamale airport no person naming after Nanatoli of the people of the northern region, and also the Kumasi International Airport of person naming after Prempeh the first. So bekai Sankumowe. Now Sankumowe be told there were a lot of people who were saying something like Akufo Addo oni na nanu penny for me Asantehene and Ya Na education one. Now the bigger question abra na cause internet so there was no answer. He naming the airport when he penny for me Otumfuo Asantehene and Ya Na of Dagbon education one. This bigger question there was no answer till and me no eka say and yensa aka eyemwaye. Ye be boy document na before ye be boy no be twa ho ne just a short video of Ya Na Akufo Addo abra will make a speech. Say, these two airports will be naming after the honor the dream. Say, right. Me go to Akufo Addo, if you are in Comodino, you are to us. And some no.
Before then, a number of important tasks lie ahead of us. One of which will be commissioning the Prempeh the first International Airport in Kumasi, and naming the recently commissioned airport in Tamale, the Yakubu Tali International Airport of Tamale.
Akufo Addo making this speech, a lot of people were happy. Say, oh, at least, why BB or the airport on the bar between him for beer or Mabo Brown Matremu. But that is respectful aspect and says, Sana, when you are not penny way, when you move back, and you soon once or the pay. And an officiality free air Dagbon. I said that was screen is no Jubilee House, and one a letter. I hope and I later used to copy my morality him na emunsem memo boso enso enchire way. Renaming of the Tamale International Airport. I bring you fraternal royal greetings from the Bavar Palace with a fervent hope and prayer that you are in good health and in high spirit. Uko PM the northern sector one more overlord no say obe PM Asante when we Otumfuo the overlord of the Asante people no Ya Na almost in the palace was said Asante for ye wo mention almost more palace no ye frɛ ho Bavar Palace. I be an pronunciation here wrong, but what I know is the Bavar Palace. Now I say Bavar Palace no almost here the president of Ghana we decide ho ye and one kind there etwaswa ye bekin kan eba ano de ba anya point na ketwa Ya Na I would like to draw your attention to your wish to rename the Tamale International Airport. Or say, Tamale Airport now person rename no wish no. Me draw attention. Titi ha me became be at you. This is unacceptable to me and majority of the citizens of Dagbon. What's it be? One jin to mukra. Don't one so one jin to mukra. Now the bigger question is, why will Akufo Addo take such a decision without informing these two major kings of our country? And you can't let him. I say the renaming of the Tamale International Airport after Tolo na Yakubu will be contentious and counterproductive. It was a tell what they need to Tony na Yakubu no. Debi at the same it will be counterproductive. At the ajone and it says a basa and Akufo Addo opese whatever. It will draw our traditional state and entire northern region into needless controversy. I say at the no me hu here ebufuo ene ntokwa ene mentim ho ase bebre ene beba sirim. Ade na wo ye no bebre enfo aso. Ti se wonim na wo ya actually ede na ntokwa said the air cost will boko kre to nkaya muni mebusafo me de hu videos be mo ani pe kunkum bom ho no. Ne na se enye boko nkon afa de no nothing sector no ho nyina and I hear the president odentokwa but just say name the airport without their consent because when nananom susu ho am sure say nka that letter we kran ko munya kwan ye ntworo fa mbra an ko mu ntworo fa mbra you didn't tell nananom, didn't show the necessary respect to ye nananom na ade Akufo Addo ye no onim say within 8 years we dey mu ba omia no the trust that people will get for omia no and I will say no give the respect say the omia bu ye nananom no give the respect to them say na bia wo koye wadie bi obi mfa nkofo afo aye omia kura Akufo Addo mamento waswe I say Azeni Ya Na of Dagbon the 7th I personally and voluntarily released the substantial lands covering the entire expansion areas of the airport to the government of Ghana to undertake the important infrastructure development. Eyamia na mden sase na maamo na mde si Tamale airport. Ai ono a iti hawha ya na tire tumi bu ha otim se na so nkan sase kura amia na mde ma wo na ade be si airport mi na mde me pe me tumi mu na me jama wo. Na wo baba be nemu airport no a woni mi susu ho. Wo dia wo pe na wo ye. Woni mi se dia wo ye ne ntoko be ba na se ya na ni bofu. Okabi ekire Akufo Addo wo kai no kura se asase no me na me de ma fa mo anka betimi esi airport ka betimi esi wo so wo che ni tumi as an overlord ewa tie I say since the proposal was announced the Bavar Palace has been inundated with calls and other forms of communications pleasing that this proposal be shelved. It was say a free say we make his speech speech near here na Akufo Addo speech no so about be rename we the Kumasi and the Tamale no free so make it that speech no course e ba e ya himfi ho no I wo mo no mentia palace ho no ne insem amanfo ekeka no enye agro to no de wo ye sure pa say ade Akufo Addo ye wonya de sifom sekim ha chale wo de ma menkenken ma mi hu say ya na ne bu afukura say da I say it is the considered opinion of many people and traditional leaders in the region is that such recognition be bestowed on Na Beaver. Accept my compliment of the highest consideration. It's just in similar. Sabram no can say a free a year the Beaver Palace of a year the Dagbon so ababa betu dano Ya Na we da. Was Akufo Addo taking decisions without the consent. And some no a hon sema ebobo ba e wo soro no. Akufo Addo say bia won te ye such a disrespect and it didn't tokwa. Ni awudie en se basabasa ye se de ekoso oboko no mpokwa ye ntwa ato empu nwiye no Otumfuo nsa koramu a wonwiye no na se de kasie mu ana obepe e wo ye the northern sector bet me question is Akufo Addo if you are able to do this to the overlord of the Dagbon then what about the Asante kingdom? Did you inform Otumfuo before you took that decision? Because I got that video neighbor I'm minjai ye sure so muntimi nyesa before you take such a decision biano you will inform our kings. You see me bu here for because e buy him for no we should show them the maximum respect regardless of the political party. Me MPP wan semba America NDC wan semba America because ye too kwan ne na mabochirema mu a pronisia ye omu say a political party ben ni was ye forever. And if you are able to do this to the Ya Na, the question is, do you do the same thing to the Asante region, to Otumfuo Asantehene? If you did, then this is the biggest disrespect of the highest level. You can't go onto the land according to the constitution of the land or say the resources near what they are, but the land belongs to our kings. And with the Muslim resources now, Monfa, Mu MPP, anything, with the Monfa, but any Munyam, and another the end, yes, some of our war dodo. Since the idea we and talk a cassia, it was 8 years a year, who go. Sabomian bebo, Sam Haman bebo, na say Tokano, Ababa be do so. Then Tokoya Sababe Jabba 2 or 2 4 pims also, so Ombra, non concosovo. Said ye a sea, ever a head Dagbon Asantene copy once or so weird. Say, hey, Bokudi, Crasantene sovereignly. This is the Ube trim at the whole of the northern sector. Na Dagbon no Ankasan over a day. Northern sectors, no, our northern brothers and sisters with innocent lifestyles, no mono, one more a day, taking such a decision according to Ya Na. Was say edin tokwa edi awudie edi mentemi ho ase edi se mebre edi besi ewo no ti Akufo Addo bi de meka che nyina ne se wo hwem ya menim se penifo bebre hwem channel ne ba fani ne se fata man ya hemfo no wate bu wo mo wate si de wo bu eye anwate hemfo de panyin no bu sa hemfo aka no nso nyina wate do not take decision on their lands without their consent. Disrespectful. If you are able to do this to the Ya Na, then the question that I have is, what about the Asante region? Did you do the same thing to Otumfuo? Did you inform something before taking that decision? Saying your decision, what taking what Tamale air cost controversies according to Ya Na, and I'm sure say the same thing. And as I say, air cost was Asante memo. Me de me wonu bi. See anyone must have to be cramp was I say air cost this argument. Yenfanto ya Asantoa, if it's Yenfanto Premprenwa, Miss Yenfanto say, me graham so me Bible, we can't say Yenfanto Premprenwa. See, the opinions are many. These things can cause said the yana kind and very dear Emma a pennyful yana I won't casa the boom for say and then the wolf way I was for in summer air coso I'm a boabano amedebro. Why was the president of the state so such a big disrespect to your nanum? I am for. So what did you do for the any Akufo Addo? How many times did I call your name? One year home, oh yeah, a power me. We did it can do within grant. If it's share on our next video, I'm out.
Emunya Kenny, I'm a renewing in Medada. No one come to Wabi, who hear me pa, Sana be a sure so said, who be here also. ASM Tiawabi pet, it's Mamia America Crabby. The Eddie kind, better will be asked. I was so a kindled gun, I was so me, especially on a TikTok. I mean, I don't want Casa, on one or don't and then I'm over 100,000. That is 10% of 1 million people. Even if it's a Gusompo and a following, and I'm DH, I will TikTok. So I will do answer and we each me away Facebook. And the person moving. I said, dear, who won't fast for anything. I feel maybe a YouTube account, a monopa, the content a woman couldn't do, baby. I feel near day, but there are a lot of beautiful packages I they break Ghana for. One money medium when him said the museum, and until see before when the video be a baby out. And intimate share what dear back per se. Yet, here we should for hey, a YouTube hey. My real fee said, let's subscribe to channel way, amame. I'm when him said the museum, video in the sophomore. Be any home. We are able to go for I yet in YouTube hentino. Channel ya bofra, I feel a woody. Messia was said, the coming when you had the end son kahon. Said the Mabwa Ama and the TikTok. You win Padodo be almost 10% of over 1 million people they follow your TikTok. I'm an so a bitremi away Facebook. Who subscribe channel with so mommy. You won't be here and say, who subscribe you? I'm a real officer, don't manage that subscription in channel. What the ones have a boss? No, what you so all. When you said details and then the credit in Africa near the Abramo. It be a be so high into pay. Send a be our baby kind. Now on Saka video be a baby enter. Let's ask you say, who subscribe you here? I'm a real free say, what was have a boy, don't manage that subscription in channel. No, what you so all. You never wish your way, brother become when you way so. And can you ya dada? Within the can, the cultural content I did be good YouTube. I'm not dancing the winning dada. I feel able radio mood drone. You sure? So when you say media may, Marco in the crown, if a Tiffany appear and for Abro or Dram or Mount. When you can subscribe, pass about domans, choose you all. I share video, and many part do be. No one's in your view. You say, Manu see, where the care subscribe rather. I don't say about domans, that you all. Within the can, no wedding crack, the best share on our next video.
One, oh boy, Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostan also, the Ebema other tribe of flow, only sorted, India terminate a Basabecano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know, say, I'll commentary like, or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a question free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?
Can one oh boy Juma, we did the Jacob. So now see commentary or social media, no style of blogging, fantastic. So you see commentary, news in the bar. So you see commentary for home, so good. Keep on going.
And the Ostan also, the Ebema other tribe of flow, only sorted, India terminate a Basabecano. It's so painful. I know shit. I don't know, say, I'll commentary like, or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And we maybe a question free debate. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. Can one modern? Can one will try pa?